calls me friend. He went so out of his way to see that I was saved in the end. I know a guy who knows that I needed his sacrifice so I could reach paradise. And when I think of the night before he took the cross, the heaviness he must have felt, the weight of what it cost. And what did he do? He leaned down and he washed their feet. Jesus did that with the world on his back. He showed his love and kindness before he felt the wrath. Jesus did that. Jesus did that. Imagine then, knowing the end, feeling all the hatred. He was betrayed by a friend. Imagine then, knowing it would happen doesn't lessen the hurt. Hear the enemy laughing. When I think of the night before he took the cross, the heaviness he must have felt, the weight of what it cost. And what did he do? He leaned down and he washed their feet. Jesus did that with the world on his back. He showed his love and kindness before he felt the wrath. Jesus did that. Jesus did that. And when I think of what he's done, when I think of all his pain, I feel so unworthy. I feel the need to change. I see his tears fall. I imagine all the blood. Jesus did that. He did it all for us. He leaned down and he washed their feet. Jesus did that with the world on his back. He showed his love and kindness before he felt the wrath. Jesus did that. Jesus did that.